This is CCTV International.
Hello, welcome to Dialogue. I'm Zhao in Beijing. Over the last decade, China and the whole world has seen an increasing interest in the issue of intellectual property rights. But the current law has excluded traditional knowledge from this realm of protection. This, no doubt, will affect China and many other developing countries rich in traditional knowledge. To see how this might be changed, we've invited Hao Xiaofeng and Edward Lehman to the studio. Welcome to Dialogue.
Good to be here. Thanks.
Hao Xiaofeng, maybe we can start with what intellectual property rights actually are.
Yeah. As we know, the intellectual property traditionally included three areas of the patent, trademark, and copyright. And patent system, we generally say, is try to protect the technological invention, such as you create a bicycle or model car or such like that. And the copyright as many concerning on the literary work or novel or poem.
Or arts, artistic work, creative arts.
Yeah. For example, moving pictures or photograph or such like that.
This television program?
Yeah.
Can be text or audiovisual materials.
Yeah, as a literature creation protected by the copyright. And generally we say the IP system is provide the legal system to protect the work of mind. That is means if some people create something is new or creative, you can enjoy the right to deny the other people to use that. In IP term, we generally say give the creator exclusive rights, which means you have the rights to use by yourself, and meantime you can give the permission to other people to use. Now, in such system, yes, we can give incentive measures to the creation of giver, and give them opportunity to share the economic benefits in the marketplace. I think the purpose of the IP system is to promote the progress of science and technology and the culture. Yeah.
But this can be complex and vague if you talk about the creation of the mind. Would that include ideas? What about two people have come to realize the same idea?
Right, well, then it's a question of who's the first one to actually submit that idea to the regulatory authorities in whatever country it is, and to say you're the first one. That happens actually quite a bit, where someone claims, I actually had thought of this before the other person. Even with the invention of the telephone, there was some debate about whether it was Alexander Graham Bell or another individual, and it's just the first person to get to the patent office then and file that application. But yeah, you're absolutely right. I think what's really important is intellectual property is a way in which companies create value, and as Dr. Hao said, it's a way in which companies and individuals can be rewarded exclusively for these creative thinking, if they're the first ones to the patent or trademark or copyright.